continuously reinventing, hindi ka ba natatakot that your fans might, you might lose them along the way na parang hindi na nila makikilala?
Yeah.
Because, di ba alam mo naman yung mga tao, they want something familiar, they don't wanna... Baka, hindi ka ba natatakot that you're risking it?
Hindi naman din ako natatakot kasi it won't come to a point naman na
It's
baka
not you.
hindi ako yun. Siyempre, there's always gonna be a touch of Julie Ann na nakilala nila from the very, very beginning. Like, the girl they used to see sa mga contests, like in Popstar Kids, from where I began, nag-SOP, Party Pilipinas, tapos ngayon, kasi nag-super bass, hanggang sa nagkaroon ako ng album, and then itong EP na to. So, ano lang siya, I just don't wanna be stuck sa pagiging, alam mo yun, parang very sweetheart. Syempre, hindi naman like, not in a bad way, but syempre, di ba, as an artist.
Medyo may angas lang ng konti.
Yeah, there's swag. And, there's evolution din, di ba? And yun nga, so syempre, as a celebrity, as an artist, kailangan mo talaga na parang magkaroon ng changes, konting changes, pero syempre, ikaw pa rin talaga. And hindi ko naman nahayaan na mawala yun, na hindi rin ako makilala ng mga supporters ko.